day 3.
It's a bit quieter today.
It's quieter because it's a Monday. Let's make the most of it.
It's not Halloween Horror Night, so yes, let's go do a few hours.
Yes. Take 3 trying to get your black magic milkshake.
It's third time the charm.
Third time the charm, fingers crossed. Look at that.
Look at him.
Third time was in fact the charm.
Third time was in fact the charm. Let's go for it.
Is that candy?
That's candies. It's like gummies with a chocolate cauldron.
So you can eat this?
Yeah.
You can eat everything?
You can eat everything.
Other than the straw?
Yes, it would not be advisable to eat.
It'd be weird, wouldn't it?
Can I have a sweetie?
Crack on then, babe. Does that make you happy?
Put cream in there to hold it together. This is going to be highly caloric, but
Totally worth it.
Did you have an accident, babe?
I tried to bite the cauldron and it just...
You do realise you've got cream over your nose, right?
I should probably clean myself up. You ready, baby? There they go! Here we go! Velocicoaster. Completed it again, mate, for about the 10th time.
And without any lightning,
Just made beat the inclement weather.
But that is awesome sauce.
Awesome sauces. Hogwarts Express is back open again.
A park-to-park ticket?
We do. Good job we have one. So we can go to Universal Studios and do the Mummy. So we're over in Studios Park, but Mummy says it's delayed now. So, Rip Ride Rocket instead?
Yeah, we've got about half an hour until this park closes, so we're going to do whatever we're going to do.
Let's see if we can squeeze in Rip Ride Rocket and Transformers.
Let's give it a whirl.
There she blows. Ready to Rip Ride this rocket?
Oh, bloody am.
And then go on the roller coaster. Due to inclement weather, Rip Ride Rocket is closed. So Transformers is... Are you ready to transform this bad weather into a good time?
Operating in time.
We saved the day.
We did.
And now we've got about 3 minutes and we're going to try and get to The Simpsons. So on 3 we're going to run. 3, 2, 1, walk fast. Run! I've still got a minute.
Come fine.
Fair enough. You win some, you lose some. So we tried to cut our losses and go for the closer one because we had seconds to spare and ET was closed. So, should we go to Islands of Adventure? Or have you drinking Islands of Adventure? Yes. Right, Woody, how you doing? It's that mighty fine looking pizza you got there. You going to share it? I think he's going to share it. Baby, it started to rain, but that's okay because this umbrella makes me look fabulous.
It does actually match your shirt very well. Perfect colour combo, I would say.
So it's the end of the night and we didn't get to do as much as we wanted due to inclement weather, which you can see behind me.
But we are going to get some proper sleep tonight and we're going to make the most of it with early hours tomorrow morning because we're staying on property. We get early access an hour early. And being for, is it 7 or 8 a.m?
8 a.m.
8 a.m. Straight over to Hagrid's, you've got to do it because that's the only time you're going to get a half decent wait time.
We're going to get some magic wands. We're going to eat some Harry Potter breakfast, drink every kind of butterbeer, and we're going to do lots of things. We're just going to head back now and we'll see you guys in the morning.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.